we have with Mahima Singh ji, daughter of the BJP candidate गरिमा सिंह जी. So we are talking to her. मैम आपने इस लड़ाई को अभी जैसे एक फाइट फॉर जस्टिस का नाम लिया, लेकिन वहाँ पे संजय सिंह जी जो हैं वो उनको भी लीगल अमिता सिंह जी को लीगली वेटेड राइट बोल रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
देखिए, I can call myself Queen of England, doesn't make me one. I can call myself anything, President of the United States, doesn't make me one. It is what the law and what society establishes me as. So, sorry, आप हिंदी में चाहेंगे कि?
No, you can please continue.
So the fact of the matter is that my mother married my father in 1973. In 1995, my father obtained a fraudulent divorce from my mother. He put an imposter in the circuit court of Sitapur, who claimed to be Garima Singh and signed the divorce decree. After which he married Amita. My mother contested that decision in the Lucknow High Court, for which the divorce was considered null and void. My father took that decision to the Supreme Court. In 1998, the High Court decision was upheld, and the Supreme Court also decided that divorce was null and void, and established my mother as a legally wedded wife of Sanjay Singh, which established the fact that the so-called marriage between Sanjay Singh and Amita is illegal. So this all is documented. It is available on Google, and Amita Modi can claim whatever she wants, and Sanjay Singh can claim whatever he wants. But by law, my mother is still married to my father.
And she also claimed that she did not want any of she did not have any interest in the properties of Sanjay Singh.
Which is amazing, because she has managed to capture all the properties, every income, everything attached to the royal family. My brother, who is the sole heir, the only son, did not have rights to even one cinema, 1 bigha land. He asked my father for 1 bighe ki zameen. He did not get that. My mother does not have any income from the royal family. Whatever she's living off of is being provided by my Nana ji, which is her father.
How do you see the contest? Do you see that the contest which is a public, is a political contest is being, this is a family-run contest?
Well, first of all, I don't consider Amita Modi part of the family, so it is not a family contest. Second, yes, our personal issues are at stake. Definitely, we will get more strength to be able to provide for my brother, my mother. But after coming out in the society and looking at the Amethi, we realize that the problems of society are so much larger. Problems of this area are so much larger than our family issues. So that has now taken precedence for my mother at least. So it is basically fight for justice, not just for us but for everybody.